Hey beauties, struggling with dark circles, redness, or uneven skin tone? In today's video, I'm breaking down color correcting for beginners. We'll talk about the difference between color correcting and concealing, what shades to use for different skin problems, and how to get that flawless, even finish. Let's get started. I'll be using the SheGlam Multi-Fix Concealer and Color Corrector Kit in Macaron. You can use whatever you want. What is color correcting? Let's talk color correcting. It's all about using the right shades to neutralize skin issues. What is the difference between color correcting and concealing? Think of color correcting as neutralizing. It uses opposite colors on the color wheel to cancel out specific skin concerns. Concealer, on the other hand, covers and brightens areas like blemishes or dark spots. You can use both for a flawless finish. Which colors are suitable for which skin problems? Here's how a color correcting works using color wheel theory. Green neutralizes redness for acne rosacea. Peach or orange cancels out blue or purple tones under eye circles for light to medium skin. Yellow brightens dullness or mild redness. Purple or lavender corrects yellowish undertones. Red or deep oranges best for very dark under eye circles on deeper skin tones. The SheGlam Macaron kit that I am using today is good for fair to medium skin tones, and this kit also has a brown shade for contouring. How to identify which colors you should use? To choose the right color, identify your main concern. For redness like acne, reach for green. If you have dark circles, choose peach, orange, or even red depending on your skin tone. For dull or yellowish skin, purple is your go-to. Since I have fair skin, I'll be correcting redness on my cheeks with green corrector and using the peach shade for dark circles instead of orange. How to choose the right product? When choosing a color corrector, consider the formula and your skin type. Creamy formulas work well for dry skin, while lightweight, liquid correctors are great for oily skin. Look for products that blend easily and feel comfortable on your skin. SheGlam's Multi-Fix is perfect because it has a creamy formula that works well with my dry skin, plus it blends easily without being cakey. How to apply color correction? Apply a thin layer of color corrector to the problem areas using your fingers, a brush, or a sponge. Remember, less is more. Lightly dab and blend until the product is even. You don't want to see the color, just a neutralized area. I'll start with the salmon under my eyes to cancel out the darkness, followed by green on my cheeks to cancel out redness. Gently pat it in, blend, and let it sit for a minute. For dark circles and dark spots on your face, remember that the darker your complexion, the redder your color corrector should be. If someone with lighter tone uses an orange corrector, it will require a lot of concealer to cover it up, whereas a pink undertone corrector will naturally neutralize the under-eye dark circles. This way, you use less product and achieve a more natural look in real life. How to apply concealer? Now that our color corrector is in place, it's time to apply concealer. I'm using the Miss Rose concealer to blend everything in for that smooth finish. Lightly tap the concealer over the corrected areas and blend it with a sponge or brush. Finish it off with powder, and that's how I look. I look natural and my spots are covered, as you can see. And that's how you color correct like a pro. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun makeup hacks. Let me know in the comments what makeup trends you'd like to see next. See you next time. Bye.